Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the polygonal puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word and where the shape at the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So for example, if it's an ing ending, we would have to have ng over here, and these two middle letters would have to be the same. That feels unlikely, so let's go back to the drawing board. If it's an er ending, that would have to be er. That also feels quite unlikely because I don't know what these middle two letters would be. They have to be the same. So I'm going to get rid of all of those as well, and I'm starting to really struggle. What do we think? Let's put e's in the middle, see if that gives us any information. Or any ideas, I suppose I should say. Doesn't give me any information, of course, at this stage. All I can think of is what would come before a double E would be STR. But then it would have to end TR, which is obviously not going to happen. So maybe it's not a double E, it could be a double O. Could be re something. Because then it could be an ED ending, but then that would have to be a D. Redoomed. Don't think this is a word, and even if it was, I don't think it would be very likely to be correct. But I didn't want it to be correct, or I didn't need it to be correct. I just needed to get some information. So if we switch round the D's and the R's, I don't like the look of that either. Right, so basically that means I'm not liking the look of any of these. So maybe it's going to be a double consonant in the middle, because it could be a vowel there and there. T-U-R-E, that's an ending, but then... Oh, pressure! Pressure would work. That's definitely a possibility, isn't it? And not only is it a possibility, but we've overcome the pressure and got it in one. So I've got a new achievement. Very nice. And a new achievement for a 10-game streak. Another new achievement for actually solving it 10 times. Okay. I've played them all on hard mode. So hard mode, if you find out that a letter is in the word, you have to use that in your subsequent guesses. I always play on hard mode, but I don't play on ultra hard mode. I think they call it expert mode. In expert mode, if you find that the R is second, for example, then every subsequent guess would have to have the R in second and seventh, because it's a duplicated letter. So in that variant, you have to use all of the information that you've gathered so far, which is way too hard for me. So I stick to expert mode, or hard mode, sorry. And that is my second one on this device. I'm delighted with that. That's the polygonal puzzle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.